This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in now, open Now TV on a browser or app, and enter your account email and password. Make sure you note the billing date and the last 4 digits of the card because you may need to verify ownership. Once logged in, go straight to My Account, don't browse passes. This saves time and prevents accidental renewals. If you're on mobile, prefer the app, otherwise use desktop for clearer navigation and full options. You then select memberships or subscriptions from My Account and pick the specific pass, cinema, entertainment, or boost because each cancels separately. Once selected, click Cancel. You'll see prompts explaining access until the end of your billing period and whether any prorated refund applies. Read those messages, they matter. Confirm cancellation when sure. If offered to pause or swap instead, decide now. After confirming, keep an eye. Once you confirm, check your email for a cancellation confirmation and a reference number. Save that. Make sure your bank or card statement shows no further renewals after the billing cutoff date, because that verifies completion. If you don't get confirmation, log back into My Account to confirm the pass shows as canceled. If you can't find the cancel button or options are grayed out, try an incognito window, clear your browser cache, or use a different device. Then contact support with your reference number if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.